Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore one of the fundamental widgets for displaying text in Flutter, the Text Widget. Understanding the Text Widget is essential for adding text content and styling to your Flutter apps. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what a text widget is. A text widget is a basic Flutter widget used for displaying text within your app's user interface. It allows you to present text content with various styling options. Let's start with the basics. Here's a simple example of a text widget in your Flutter code. You can set properties like data or text to define the text content. You can also control aspects like style, text align, and text direction to customize how the text appears. The text widget is excellent for styling text content. You can use the style property to apply various styling options, including fonts, colors, sizes, and more. This is where you can get creative with your text presentation. You can control text alignment. The text align property allows you to specify how the text should be aligned within its container. This is useful for centering or justifying text. Text widgets support localization. You can use the text direction property to set the direction of the text, accommodating various languages and scripts. This makes your app accessible to a global audience. Flutter's text widget supports rich text and inline styling. You can use rich text to apply different styles within the same text element, perfect for highlighting specific words or phrases. This feature adds depth to your text presentation. In conclusion, the text widget is a powerful tool for text display and styling in Flutter. It empowers you to communicate information and messages effectively within your app's user interface. With a solid understanding of the text widget, you're well prepared to create text-rich and visually appealing Flutter apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!